see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on, man. We out here having a ball. They said they following me. Well, let me get the address together. Hold on, let me scratch my eyebrow.
Excavadores que siempre llamen al 811.
Brand new striker, nigga, I can't stand still. I don't leave the crib, they on my ass more than my fans is. Coach can't come just by themselves no more.
Freeway.
Fuck, nigga, I'm live.
Your shit off the frame, but don't even try. Because of your pride, you should've bought you a Benz. All that money on your motor with the cheap ass rims. 20K on the day. Can it thank me, please? Fuck that.
Yes, sir. Y'all know what time it is, man. It's time to go. Yeah.
You got 200, nigga. Say that nigga, my shit a fur. I made the whole on the twerk. Cut the beat back of the trunk by the bird.
Time to go. Yeah.
No skins. Got all my shit on with a pop full of kids. I'm about to head on the beach. Get my dick sucked from out of.
See if we can wait on gang, because they taking forever to get up here. Engage. Arizona streets right now, man. The skies is clear blue. We're going all the way up, man. Y'all know what time it is. We got a little bit of wind from the East Coast. You see the flag is flying to that direction, man. We got a little bit of wind from the east. Okay? But it's a movie today, man. Y'all know what time it is. It's time to go yay to the yay. I'm glad y'all tuning in today, man. Make sure y'all like the video for your boy and subscribe to the channel. almost at 300,000. Big Daddies, of course. You see how I manhandle this bike with one hand? That thing with one hand. I hope y'all manhandle this bike, man. Head on over to the website. That's regular.com for a chance to win. Now, I don't see any of my buddies. I know they're way back there, like way back. Like way back. But, see, that's what happens when you're riding the M5 gas. You have to just chill. You can't do too much, because once you do too much, you're going to be wasting gas. And if you don't got a canteen on standby, it's going to be a problem. Meanwhile, man, y'all let me know what the bike is looking like on this highway, man. We got the ooze and the ahs, man. Come on, man. I got the ooze and ahs. Let me see what this thing sounded like. I know y'all got the slaps, man. Nonsense. Where's Naya? Come on, let's go. Watch this. Watch this. Let's go. Oh, nine. Hey, oh, nine. Who got that? Jekan Chanseka. They're no right. Pass me the keys to my truck. Who am I? One sugar. He's a kabuki. Like, dang, bro, you ain't even going nowhere. You all on my bumper, P. Back off. You all on that bumper, P. Back off. They don't want no smoke. Not one of them want no smoke. Let's go up, man. We getting it together, man. If y'all guys haven't already, man, subscribe to the channel. Everything regular on YouTube, man. That's regular on the website. If you guys want to shout out winning this Big Daddy right here, man, a CVO with the oohs and ahs, man, y'all know what to do. Head on over to the site, purchase anything you see on the site for a chance to win, man. They got them Harleys over there, but they're not trying to do no smoke. I swear, not one of their bikes look fast. None of their bikes. They're like, yeah, none of the bikes look fast, but you're sitting there listening to Beyonce, bro. Yes, I know. I'm sorry. Oh my God, we got another Beyonce back. Oh, we got a third Beyonce. Wait, hold on. Hold on, we gotta shuffle him up. Shuffle him up, man. Bankroll after bankroll, man. Y'all know what time it is. Boost and bull around that thing, man. Yeah. Run that back turbo. Nah, they didn't even get off the freeway yet, bro. They didn't even get off the freeway yet. What's going on? That's what I'm saying. Nobody knows where we're going. They done got off on the wrong exit or something, apparently, because ain't no way they shouldn't have been right behind us, bro. We're going from A to B. Like, that be the thing. If you want to get stuff done, you might want to stick with a slimmer group. It sounds like they might be getting off right now, but then again, like I said, they should be off with us. We didn't even ride fast. You know? We got people on Honda Shadows pulling up. Passing us by. Honda Shadows. Okay, he had a Harley, the second one, but the rest was like Harley Shadows. It's about time. It's really about time. Let's do it.
Y una demora por el pitchcom que le...
Let's see what we got. Come on, man. Go ahead. He was like 5 minutes ahead of the pack. 5 minutes ahead of the pack. Whoa, man, bring that ass back. That's what I want to do. I thought we was about to race, man. TAF leaving. They don't want to race. They do not want to race, bro. Let's go. We pulling up, y'all. This is different. Let's see what we got. Yo, hey, they get up in here? Crazy. Just keep going, bro. Keep going. Go, go. We're going through this motherfucker.
Previo a la jornada de este día.
Say it again?
40 each.
We're not even gonna stay. We about to see who in here and we about to leave.
Okay, well you guys can have to.
We about to see who in here and we about to leave.
Well, you guys can turn around and go out right here, but I can't let you go into the
You paying? You paying for this shit? I'm not. I know y'all not paying 40 to get in here.
Hell no.
I I know y'all not paying 40 to get in here, bro. Hey, we to the picnic. Hey, we to the picnic anyway. Let's go to the picnic. Let's go to the picnic.
Go to the park. Oh, Solo don't want to go to the park. They going to the race street. They go $40. They said they go to the race street. What y'all want to go?